Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. With less than 20% of Jamaicans having a formal pension, Director of the Pension Industry Association of Jamaica, Desmond Johnson, tells RJR News that the association will be exerting more pressure to pass legislation to facilitate automatic enrollment in a pension scheme once a person begins working. The association also wants the government to fast-track legislation related to micro-pensions so more workers and self-employed persons can also save towards a pension. For companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, there have been several corporate announcements. VM Investments Limited has advised that Mrs. Denise Marshall Miller's portfolio has been upgraded to the role of Assistant Vice President, Global Markets and Digital Assets Trading, effective April 1, 2025. Supreme Ventures Limited has appointed Tanya Smith Anderson as its new Senior Vice President of People and Corporate Services. Smith Anderson's appointment took effect on June 2. Paul Treboulé, Group Chief Risk Officer at Guardian Holdings, has retired effective May 31, the company reports. Treboulé has since been replaced by Richard Luke Kin, with the appointment taking effect June 1st. The Ministry of Investment and Commerce, funded by the Inter-American Development Bank, will host the next stage of its MSME Business Roadshow series next Tuesday, June 18, at the Manning School in Savannah, Lamar. Since its launch, the roadshow has reached over 2,000 entrepreneurs across 7 parishes, delivering direct support through business exhibitions, mentorship, capacity building workshops, and consultations. In total, 52 entrepreneurs have already been awarded $14.6 million in grant funding through the Roadshow's business pitch competitions designed to identify and empower high potential entrepreneurs. In total, 52 entrepreneurs have already been awarded $14.6 million in grant funding through the Roadshow's business pitch competitions designed to identify and empower high potential enterprises. The initiative has also brought visibility to 266 micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises showcased in the MSME Village, including 19 technology-oriented companies. For the trading period ending June 9, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. International finance conglomerate JMMB Group Limited 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares with 1,787,940 units traded, representing 22.36% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,065,541 units traded, representing 13.32% of market sales volume. Caribbean Alternative Finance Conglomerate Cygnus Credit Investments Limited, JMD ordinary shares with 466,229 units traded, representing 5.8% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 9, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $54.36 million purchased and US $60.15 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.79 per dollar, selling the US at $160.98 and buying the US at $159.19. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.40 per transaction, with selling at $118.45 and buying at $116.05. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.27 in profits, with selling at $218.18 and buying at $213.91. For our credit report of the day, retirement doesn't start at 65. It starts with the decisions you make right now. If you're in your 50s, the next 15 years are not just a countdown, they're your launch pad. Your credit score can be your most powerful financial partner in this phase, helping you to fund wellness coverage, secure income streams, and protect your lifestyle. This is your chance to use what you've built to create what you really want: freedom, options, and cash flow that works for you. Let's talk strategy, not sacrifice. So phase 1 of retirement planning, which is about 15 to 10 years out, this is your foundation stage. Consider getting a home equity loan to fund income producing assets. Phase 2 of retirement planning, which is 10 to 5 years out, this is your growth stage. Consider investing in rental property improvements. Then phase 3 of retirement planning, which is 5 years to retirement, is where you lock in security. Consider securing a reverse mortgage line, not just a payout. When you're building something from nothing, you're going from financial recovery to financial resilience. If you're a woman over the age of 45 navigating a financial reset and also navigating a health issue while you're trying to get your money back on track, you don't need hype. You need practical moves that work with your life as it is today. Here is your roadmap for consideration. Bundle your accounts at a credit union for better loan terms. Ask about relationship banking discounts. Move checking, savings, and a credit card under one roof. Then think about using AI tools to streamline your side hustle. Try Canva for design, ChatGPT for content drafts, and Wave or FreshBooks for invoicing. And then use visualization and journaling to reinforce your financial goals. Spend 5 minutes a day journaling your money wins and your next 3 actions. This builds financial confidence. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.